Welcome! Today I will tell you about how to increase watch time on YouTube. Here are the main topics we will talk about in the video. Create quality YouTube content. Maximize the first 15 seconds of your video. Use long-tail keywords. Use relevant titles and thumbnail images. Let's get started. In this video, you will learn how to increase watch time on your YouTube. It's a complete helpline for you as it will give you everything you need to know, from creating quality content to using relevant titles and thumbnail images. So keep watching to know all. Create quality YouTube content. Consider this: 500 hours of video are posted to YouTube every minute. This should demonstrate how competitive the platform's watch time is. However, with over 2 billion users, there is always demand for more high-quality material. When creating your videos, make sure to have something absolutely unique to share or that you can improve on existing content. Put yourself in the position of a possible viewer. What would entice you to watch the whole thing? So, surveying customers, researching rivals, and analyzing your own data can all help you to develop an audience retention strategy. Maximize the first 15 seconds of your video. If you don't get your audience's attention immediately, you don't have much time to attempt again. High bounce rates are terrible for business and will reduce your watch time significantly. The initial 15 seconds of your video should be entertaining, interesting, and succinct, and should tell your viewers what to expect from the rest of it. This is not the time for extensive lectures about yourself, your accomplishments, or your company in great detail. If a video is going to be more than a few seconds lengthy, add branding towards the end. Create openers that are uniform, entertaining, and templated across all playlists for efficiency. Use long-tail keywords. Targeting long-tail keywords on YouTube is another strategy to improve traffic and view time for your videos. You may use tools to find long-tail keywords, but one of the simplest places to start is with YouTube suggestions. The less specific your keywords are, the less likely you are to rank high in the search results. Keep in mind that YouTube isn't just giving you random ideas for long-tail keywords. These video subject choices are based on the real interests of viewers. Use relevant titles and thumbnails. The title and thumbnail are the first things viewers encounter when searching for videos on YouTube. Consider them similar to the link previews and calls to action, CTAs, in your paid social plan. You'll need a title and thumbnail that grabs their attention but doesn't lead them astray. YouTube intends to give the most relevant videos to searchers, just like search engines do. The worst thing you can do is deceive people into watching your YouTube videos, only for them to stop watching them right away. A high click rate is meaningless if it is accompanied by a high bounce rate, not to mention the harm that can be done if your videos are marked by viewers as having false information. I have given you the right kind of information about how to increase your viewership time on YouTube by creating quality content, utilizing the first 15 seconds of your videos correctly, and using the right keywords and thumbnails. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and watch the next video to learn more.